Hi everyone, Mike here from Robart, and well, I guess it was pretty apparently clear y'all did not like our last unboxing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through a full unboxing today of the top RC models Focke Wulf. Before we open this up, let's go through some specs. Wingspan, 93 inches. Length, 78.3 inches, and your flying weight is going to be between 27 and 30 pounds. So what you're going to get is, when you get your shipping box, this box itself will be inside of that, and then you cut the top off and here it is. So as you can see, as it's shipped into you, you got several supports holding everything tight. All of the individual parts of the plane are bubble wrapped, and you do have your parts bag right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pause this video. Let's take everything out, and we'll show you what the plane looks like. So now we've got all the packaging out of that box. One thing I do want to make perfectly clear is that if the camera can scroll down into the bottom of that box, you do have some different rods down in the bottom of the box. Look through your instructions on where those go and whatnot, but those are in the bottom of the box. So let's start taking some of this apart. Let's just start with their wing. So the nice thing about these is it's a full composite construction. Everything is painted for you. Very well packaged. So we've got our wing surface here, as well as the underside. You do have your mounting area for your retracts. Retracts are available from Robart. They are available in pneumatic right now, and electrics are in process. All right. Let's move this off to the side. And then what I'll do is I'll just do that one side of the wing. If you do want to see the other side of the wing, just let me know in the comments and we can get additional ones. Servo mounting areas. I'll take the cowl off next. And then with the cowl, what I will do is I'll get a diameter for you shortly. I'll make a comment down below, or I'll add it to the details on what your cowl diameter is. But as you can see, you've got great paint job on these. It's fully decaled. You do have your wing tubes and drop tanks. So this will allow for removable wings for transport. Something to think about when you are doing that for the builders out there. Just make sure that you get those part number 190, which are the quick disconnects for the pneumatics for Robart. Here's your drop tanks. Wing tubes, part bags, and gear door covers. Let's go ahead and pop this open here, take this off. So in your hardware kit, you got all your nuts and bolts, angle irons, fuel tank, different cabling, and your horns So if you got questions on some of this, we do offer the instructions. Those are on our website also. So take a look at that. If you got any further questions, just give us a call. Gear door covers. So check out, when we're talking about gear door covers, so one thing that you want to consider on this is with the Robart retracts is our aluminum wheels. We do have those powder coated in black. A beautiful scale wheel will be a great complement to completing this and making this really look even more scale. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause the video one more time, and one more thing here for your rudder. You probably can't see that. Nice scale decals on here. So what we'll do, we're going to pause the video one more time, and let's get the fuselage out of the packaging, and then we'll talk about that, and then we'll close it out for you. So we got the fuselage out. Just go ahead and spin it around so that you can see all the decaling, underbelly. All right. Move this forward here. I'll go ahead and take the hatch off. Move that up there, and you can zoom it in. So you can see the plywood construction for your ribs and spars, and then for all of the composite construction on the inside, you can see that also. Also get a view of the cockpit and your firewall. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just throw a wing on real quick. We'll put the cowl on next and show you a kind of a mocked up version of what it's going to look, and then we'll close it out from there. So there you go. It's your plane. Wing on, cowl on, rear stab and rudder. If you got any questions on the top RC model Focke Wulf 190 or for the retracts offered by Robart, give us a call at 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com, and just click on the airplane tab on the left toolbar under the catalog, or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Hey, thanks. Have a great day.